Stop guessing on why Mercury Playback Engine software only is missing in Premiere Pro. This is exactly how you find it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you your hardware is broken. But here at Rexish, we know Adobe simply hit the menu in the 2025 update to force GPU acceleration. Before we force the setting, you need to understand the logic or you'll just get stuck with slow renders and crashing exports again. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you regain full control over your rendering engine. The problem is that in version 25.2 and later, Adobe removed the drop-down menu because they want the software to automatically use your graphics card. But sometimes you need software only to fix glitchy transitions. This is the authority fix from Rexish that guarantees you can still access this hidden mode. You might think you need to downgrade your entire software version, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is the Shift Launch Override. If you hold the Shift key while clicking Premiere Pro icon to launch it, a secret dialog box appears that allows you to manually toggle Use Software Rendering Only for that specific session. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a stable export is seconds away. Close Premiere, hold down the Shift key, launch the app, and when the reset options appear, check the box for software rendering. If you are on an Apple Silicon Mac and the menu is grayed out, you must go to Creative Cloud app and select Open Intel version to see the toggle again. If you follow me exactly, your impossible render errors are now a thing of the past. Comment below if you want a solution for the error compiling movie bug.